If you need to share a Google Drive file or folder and let someone actually edit it, this video will walk you through the fastest way to do it. I'll show you how to copy the link, change the access settings, and make sure the right people can collaborate with you without confusion. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides. First, open Google Drive in your browser and find the file or folder you want to share. You can do this from your recent files, a folder, or by using the search bar if you already know the name. Once you've found it, right-click on the file or folder. This opens the context menu with all the sharing options you need. From that menu, click Share. A sharing window will appear, and this is where you control who can access the file and what they can do with it. Look for the General Access section. By default, many files are restricted, which means only people you invite directly can open them. But if you want to share the item through a link, you need to change this setting. Click the drop-down under General Access and select Anyone with the link. This means anyone who receives the link will be able to open the file or folder without needing a direct invitation. Now, on the right side of that same sharing panel, you'll see the permission level. This is the most important part if you want others to make changes. Change the permission from Viewer or Commenter to Editor. Once you set it to Editor, anyone who opens the link will be able to edit the file or folder, depending on what type of content it is. This is especially useful for team projects, shared documents, collaborative folders, or any situation where multiple people need to work on the same content. Before you send it out, take a second to double-check your settings. Make sure the access is set to anyone with the link, and make sure the role is set to editor. If you skip either of those steps, the person may only be able to view the file, or they may not be able to open it at all. Once everything looks correct, click Copy Link. Google Drive will copy the shareable link to your clipboard, and now you can paste it into an email, chat message, or text message and send it to the person who needs access. As soon as they open that link, they'll be able to edit the file or folder right away. This is a great way to collaborate faster, especially when you're working with teammates, clients, classmates, or anyone who needs to make live edits in one shared place. Just remember that editor access gives people the ability to make changes, so only use it when you trust the person you're sharing with. And that's it. You've now learned how to share a Google Drive link and grant editing access in just a few simple steps. If this video was helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy Google Drive tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.